This is one of the most disgusting pieces of driving I've seen in my time on the road. Quite simply, I'm in between lessons and I'm going from one area of Liverpool to the next. There's queuing traffic and there's parked cars on the left hand side. This white car comes from behind and everything's fine. But it wants to go through on the left hand side. It puts its signal on. There's not enough room for me to move up and the car get to where it wants to go, so I sit still. So in his frustration, this guy decides to do this.
Just come home and might have a little bit of tea. Alright, hon?
Yeah, let me know so I can sort your tea out anyway.
Right. No worries, be good. I'll speak to you later.
Okay.
Cheers, hon. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye.
Seriously? Just spat at the back of my car.
Please look away now if you don't want to see the slow-mo.